Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a watercolor print. The supplies you will need are one of the provided templates printed out onto cardstock, a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, markers, and a spray bottle with water. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your markers and you're going to color all over your Ziploc bag. I picked sort of sunset-y colors because my template has a sun on it, but you can pick whatever colors you'd like. So I'm just going to really scribble all over my Ziploc bag. Doesn't matter where I put the colors, doesn't have to look neat at all. You want to make sure you get a lot of ink onto your Ziploc bag while you're coloring. So you don't want to use the fine point of the marker, you want to sort of use the side. And, you know, put a little color here, a little color there. And sort of color over the other colors. And once you're happy with your bag, it has enough color on it, you're going to take your spray bottle and you're going to just give it a quick spritz. Make sure you don't get it on your piece of paper. You don't need to totally flood the bag, you just want a little bit of water on the bag. Then you're going to take your template, you're going to place it face down onto your bag. You can kind of rub it around a little bit. You want to just like kind of smooth it, make sure that the ink is getting onto your piece of paper. And then when you peel it up, you will have a watercolor print. So you want to let this dry completely. If it curls a little bit, you could always put a heavy book on top of it, and then you can place it in a frame. Thank you so much for joining me today. We hope to see you soon, but until then, visit the library's website at www.smithslib.org for more programs and resources.